no, so it's okay. It's okay. Let's proceed. I have another question for everybody here.
No, I demand that this guy be excluded. Because that's the rules. Don't waste my time.
Okay, so can
Yeah,
we
let's go on.
More important than you.
Can we
Let's move
proceed
on.
now?